Alright, take 85. Here we go. This is it. This is tied on a rotary vise, an or vise. I'm not going to tell you the name of the fly. You'll figure it out. Just wrap your thread all the way on. Oh, no big deal. Just trim it off. Don't beat yourself up about it. A little bit of peacock curl. Just cinch it on there. Get some hackle. To size, of course, And then wrap it up. Don't skip, you want one in front of the other, Nice flat body. You don't want any steps up or steps down. Cinch it in all the way up. See that trick here, Norvice users? Half wrap with the peacock curl, grab your hackle. Could have the hackle a little better here, but I'm not too worried about it. And just zip it up. I should have a little bit of crazy glue on the body, just a little drip, but I just don't have any crazy glue. Forgive me. Back wrap. Oh, don't worry about that, guys. Don't panic there, Tie up the head, cinch it down, pull it back, clean it up. You can make it all pretty and stuff here, nice pretty head, but I'm not gonna. Whip finish, done. Snip, snip. That's it. Now you know what it is, right? Happy tying.